Have you ever thought about making your own Halloween coffin? Well, stay tuned to find out how we did it. I'm Brandon, and this is another edition of Griffin's Paradise. Today is about our coffin that we've made, so let's get to it and show you how it's done. Okay guys, here we go. Here's our Griffin coffin. This is something we made this year that we're very proud of. It's made out of the 2-inch styrofoam, and then it's carved with a wood-burning knife. The wife added the cracks and everything in there. We did not come up with this ourselves. I'll have a link at the end of the video to the original video that we found and everything. But let's jump right into it and see what makes it work here. So the lid just comes right off. It's really light. You can see all the fog coming out of there from the fog machine in there. What makes it move is one of those deer motors, and we're just using a ruler. It goes up in the top of the styrofoam cover and it just slides it back and forth. Got a little red light. We bought an LED light and we just spray painted it red. And then we got our fog machine that sits down there. We've got it on a wireless relay here. That allows me to control it with a button. Here on the keychain I can press A as I hold it down and the fog comes out. We're going to do a video on that later, but I mean, you can tell I got it from Lowe's. It's $30 a sheet. I believe we needed 2. I've got all the dimensions and stuff on our blog, so I'll have that linked in the description as well, so that you know what size pieces to cut and everything like that. But the wife just took the wood burning kit and just kind of scorched it, made some marks, and put a paint job on it. These masks came from Dollar Tree at their Halloween stuff last year. So that's all there is to it. Like I said, we'll link to the video at the end here of where we got the idea from, and also to the blog where we put a little bit more in-depth how-to and the pieces and stuff like that. And I hope you guys like it, and until next time, see you later.